Hi spooky friends! Today I'm showing you how to do this super fun jack-o'-lantern look. It's short, easy, messy, so here we go. I'm going to start by taking a concealer that's 3 shades lighter than the skin tone that he is, and I'm applying it all over his face. And I'm using the concealer rather than a white face paint because, like I said, this is going to be a faded, messy look. I'm going to be using a setting powder, not only to set the face, but the powder is in translucent, so I'm going to use the extra powder to make him look more pale. And then I'm going to take a black eyeliner, preferably one that's easy to smudge. I'm just looking at a picture of a skull, and I'm outlining everything that I'm going to put onto his face. Like basics would be, there's a little line underneath the cheekbone, there's going to be a line above the jawline. When I do the teeth, I trace from the lip line out, circle around the eyes. The nose always has 2 little points at the top, and there's 2 indents at the top of the forehead too. So I'm going to start shading in everything. So I'm using a really dark black eyeshadow, and the whole goal for this look is a faded look. So I'm starting by where I outlined. That's where I'm going to apply most of my shadow, and then I'm going to take a clean brush and I'm going to fade it up so that the black gets lighter and lighter as we go. With the teeth, I'm taking a clean brush and I'm just fading it up to make the teeth look longer and to make the middle look more circled, like real teeth. But I'm just taking the eyeliner that I had applied and just smudging it out. And I'm going to do the same where I created the jawbone on the side. I'm just going to take the eyeliner that I originally had there and just smudge it down so it's just faded. I'm not really going to add any eyeshadow. So the goal for the eyes is to start where I originally outlined, and then I'm going to bring the shadow up with a clean brush. You don't want it to be really black around the actual eye. That's going to be more of a gray look. Here, you can see it here. So this is the faded look that I'm going for. Now I'm just fading down the neck with just a black eyeshadow just to make it look more complete, and they'll have the look pull all together. So here's the final look, guys, and I hope you enjoyed. I know it was a really quick video, but happy Halloween!